927B108 Quadric Klein Correspondence Alpha Planes Twistor Space Nodes Formula Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. November 23rd, I was working on line 227B107. Twistor Geometry Klein Correspondence Grassmannian Manifold Wow Seti. This is about super lattice equations for fifth dimension Minkowski space-time physics calculations. Quadric Klein Correspondence Alpha Planes Twistor Space Nodes Formula for signals in the UFO CORE engine found in line 22's WOW data. And it creates a bigger formula idea to try from the WOW data. So there's several more formulas from it. My thoughts: line 22 7B97Z84A was about elastic atoms, molecules, collisions, and ultra-cold temperatures. There's more videos from that. So we're going back to those diagrams we were looking at earlier. This is the Klein correspondence, and quote and diagrams are from a blog. So he talks about complexified, compactified M, incidence, and twistor space CP3 with all these calculations there. So this is a quadratic in the fifth dimensional complex projective space. On this quadratic there are two 3-parameter families of totally null two planes. One self-dual SD alpha planes and the other anti-self-dual ASD beta planes. Projected twistor space is the space of all alpha planes. Through every point on the quadratic there is one parameter family of alpha planes, which means that space-time points are represented as projective lines in the projective twistor space. So he's talking about light rays space-time and 0.0 degrees twistor space, Riemann spheres there. He's talking about Minkowski space M. R has space-time coordinates and Z has twistor coordinates. So projective twistor space, again more calculations. And incidence, he's got some math stuff there. This correspondence between the lines in CP3 and points of a quadratic in CP5 is known as the Klein correspondence. In terms of coordinates, R0, R1, R2, R3, sorry, that was R0. On CM, the complexified Minkowski space and homogeneous coordinates Z0, Z1, Z2, Z3. On CP3, the Klein correspondence can be expressed, it's supposed to be expressed, I don't know how to spell express, there we go, explicitly in terms of the incident relation. If we restrict ourselves to real space-time points, the corresponding lines in CP3 lie in a 5 real-dimensional hypersurface PN. And that's at users.ox.ac.uk. Okay? Quote, this is a quadratic in the fifth-dimensional complex projective space. My thoughts, November 25th. Quadratic plus 5 fifth dimension complex projective space is what it will be called once we bounce off particles in between two superlattice structures. Will it create a different type of Minkowski space-time equations for us to work on? Just a thought. Klein correspondence plus Minkowski space plus twistor theory. Data talks about points, quadratic between the lines and angles. Maybe we can apply this to the node signals that are wrapped in L. Shelby twist wires, Cougar, DARPA, hollow core fiber optics, nanowires, microwires. We're going to cross-reference the formulas from lines 1 to 27 to find out. So, quote, if we restrict ourselves to real space-time points, the corresponding lines in CP3 line in a 5 real-dimensional hypersurface PN. My thoughts, real space-time points equals the nodes. Corresponding lines, the linear angular momentum theory is in formulas in the WOW data lines 1 to 27. We'll be cross-referencing those. Lines in CP3 line plus Landau Hall effect, Newton's second laws of motions, quote, 5 real-dimensional hypersurface Pn equals 5 actual forces plus fifth dimension physics plus hypersurface plus hyperbole space plus Pn. What is Pn? Photons and neutrinos. Higgs boson signal photons, CERN 2012, results Atlas, Alice, and CML. Plus Janet Conrad's mineral oil covered neutrino collision data 2008 from the Minkowski-Boone experiment equals proton energies in fifth dimension, Minkowski space-time plus twistor theory, math algorithms, and equations. The keyword Minkowski hyperbole equations formulas will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.